Today we have some massive news for the Rose Oasis Network price because a huge signal has just recently flashed for the Rose Oasis Network price for the past couple of days, and you don't want to miss this update I have right now for Rose Oasis Network. We will be talking about the recent price action, the levels to look out for, and also the possible bullish and bearish scenarios that may arise in the very short term, and much more. So if you guys pay close attention right now to the Rose Oasis Network price, we are inside the longer time frame. We are in the weekly time frame because, first of all, I would like to talk about what has recently happened for the Rose Oasis Network price. And as you guys can see, since my previous video, Rose has had this pullback towards the downside, and now we are bouncing. Now, there is something really massive from this bounce we're having right here. Let me discuss this to you guys right now, because if you zoom out into the weekly time frame, you guys can see that this has acted as a strong resistance level right here, where we have previously formed this swing high for Rose, and this is at around the price level of 0.10 cents. So this is where this level is located at, and now since Rose has broken above this level, it's now flipped to support. So we recently had a retest of this previous level and had a bounce. That is very bullish, because that would signify right now that we are actually gearing up for another leg towards the upside, which is gonna potentially bring us towards our next target right here, which is the next major resistance, and that is at around 0.23 cents. That is essentially the next target we are looking out for after this retest we had right here. So that is why right now I'm telling you guys this is very massive, because we held this level as support. The bearish case is if we do see Rose break below this level right here. If we saw Rose break below this level, we could move further towards the downside to this next support level. But fortunately, we held this level as support, which is a massive bullish signal for the longer time frame for Rose Oasis Network. And that is why right now I'm feeling extra bullish for the price. Now, what's even more crazy is if we zoom in into the daily time frame, you guys can see another bullish signal has flashed for Rose. We recently had a pullback right here. This is the VWAP we have right here. You guys can see this is a VWAP, and this acts as a strong level of support as well for Rose. Previously, if you look at the price history for Rose, you can see that this VWAP has supported the price multiple times, and after it has supported the price, it has led to a nice pump towards the upside. And right now, if you move towards the current price action, you guys can see Rose had a pullback. We found support at the VWAP, and we're bouncing. This is extremely bullish news. So the only warning I have right now, the only actually bearish scenario we have right now, is if we do see Rose break below this VWAP, then I would flip bearish. So let's hope that this won't happen, because if we do break below the VWAP, that would be the biggest bearish signal flashing ever. But the great news is we have nothing to worry about right now, because you can see that Rose has held this level successfully as support, and we are right now bouncing. So the only level we have to take out right now is the previous swing high we had around this level right here. If we do break above this green zone, that would be the next major signal that we could potentially see the next major move towards the upside. So bullish things are coming for Rose Oasis Network, and also this is in the AI narrative, which is very hot right now, and that is why I'm currently doubling down on my Rose positions. So if you guys would like to learn on how to make $100 a day, watch this video on the screen right now.